quick reading for March the 5th to March the 6th. Aquarius, your cards are the Balance, the Ace of Cups, and the Lovers. So ang nakikita natin dito, may mga bagay siguro tayo na hindi natin sure kung paano i-handle, no, Aquarius, especially when it comes to this relationship. Now, it felt like natutunan na natin, no, yung tabang timpla, kumbaga. Alam na rin ni person kung paano din siya, no, kumbaga aatake, kung paano magsasalita, kung kailan tatahimik, kung kailan hindi ka dapat biruin. I feel like with all of these ups and downs na nararanasan nyo ni person, nandito na yung knowledge, na nandito na yung also pagkakaroon ng wisdom sa inyong dalawa na kumbaga yung perfect combination, yung perfect blend, no? On how to handle the situation. And it felt like ngayon nyo mas nakikita na kaming dalawa pala ang para sa isa't isa with the lovers. Ngayon pa lang umuusbong. Ngayon pa lang nakikita yung mga bagay na um, pwede sabihin natin medyo late, pero better late than never, yung similarities ninyo and yung strength and weaknesses, no? So this is your quick reading for March the 5th to March the 6th.
Predicting future is my purpose.